Hello guys, welcome to the first video and the first class of Mulesoft. Today we're gonna learn how to make a new project and how to say hello world and see it on your browser. Let's start. First you click on File, then New and New Project. So you're gonna enter the name of your project. Let's stay with the lessons, okay? And then you click Finish. I'm using the newest version of the Mulesoft and it is the 6.0. Okay, stay tuned for the latest updates and stay updated so you can get the newest things, the newest connectors and stuff. Okay, so we have the empty canvas over here and we're gonna start dragging the HTTP connector over here. So you have a visual style for your project, okay? And we're gonna have to configure that. How are we gonna do that? We have to configure the connector configuration. Let's start clicking on the plus icon over here and we have all the infos over here. Say the name, you can put the name you want. This is a global configuration for the HTTP listener. Let's stay with the HTTP default connector and the local host. Okay, let's stay the way it is. And the path we're gonna leave that way, so we just enter the localhost .8081 and press enter till everything works. So we're gonna insert a logger. What is a logger? A logger is a component that shows you what you wanna show. You can show the payload, and it shows that information on the console. Why you wanna do a logger on this hello world? I'll show you. But before, we're gonna put the set payload here between the HTTP connector and the logger, and we're gonna put the message hello world between these characters, so it becomes a string. And okay, now let's get back to the logger. Why the logger? So this way I can see the message on the website via payload and via console of my endpoint studio. I can have a monitor, I can observe my project between the two sides. I can see it on the HTTP and I can see on the console. If everything goes wrong on the HTTP, I have a control if I made this part okay on the console. Okay, so let's run this. You right click and click the run and your PC starts to work. It takes a little time, you don't have to worry about that. And I'm using not a very nice PC, okay? So you don't have to worry if it takes a bit of time. So yeah, you have the deployed message. It says you're successful. So how are we gonna test it? Why it didn't appear here? You say, hey Dwight, you said your message would appear on the console. Yeah, but I not activated my flow. I not activated my project, my program. So how are you gonna do that? When you put a HTTP connector on the entry of the flow, you have to activate that by typing your address on your web browser over here. So this is a local host, okay? You remember to type localhost and the port is 8081. Let's start typing that. Local host 8081. So I have the message hello world, and guess what? What we're gonna have on the console? Okay. Hello world, as we imagined. And this is the first lesson. Next time I'll show you guys how to debug, how to make step by step if a flow works, and see what is wrong or am I getting on this point of the message. I'll see you guys on the next lesson, and bye bye.